is a dynamite king. No be inferior. Ordinances of gas is not his business. King Okaka, Akadaba Chiruzo. Ordinances of gas is not his business.
Like this, so just call your people. They say you dey hostage. Call them now.
No be everybody that they kidnap. I no get people.
This man, if you say we dey joke for here.
We no come here come dance kelewu now. We no dey joke for here. Bros, you go call your people right about now. May they deliver you.
Oh boy. Now I thought you gonna host so. I say make you call your people. You collect those.
Guys, how far? Who waste this guy now? Harvesting killing, they go sell him. Now you call person where they say buy killing.
I say make you call your people. What be this one?
If you move, I will turn you to goat. Drop your weapons. If you move, I will turn you to goat. I tell you, not everybody that they kidnap. Drop your weapons.
You never reach like that.
Never reach like that.
Drop your weapons.
Within reach goat.
Yeah, never reach like that.
You never reach like that now.
I turn you to goat. I never talk about
No, now. Don't talk like that now. Now play with you.
Now you be the shout now.
I don't dey shout. I don't do anything now.
But don't shout.
Sit down, man. Don't do sit down, man.
My elders. Why your face is heavy like this? Oh no, big smile. Yes. You see, today is a great day. The day I, Igwe Okaka I of Umuigodo Kingdom, celebrate my greatness, my fame, and of course my person, the strongest, the greatest, the most dreaded king on planet Earth. Is that disputable? No. As you all know, the Ogene boys and the masquerades are out there waiting for us. And of course, my wife and my son, the crown prince, will join us to the village square where we will marry, we will eat, we will drink, we will celebrate. Right? Oh no,
rescue us from his enemy.
Stop that nonsense.
how dare you interrupt my day? How dare you?
It's a wrong day.
Who are you?
Na me Bionochie, son of Okenwa Ibezim, your former gatekeeper.
No. It's impossible. You are long dead.
It is you that is dead. You think so?
From his enemy, who will save us from
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Okay, one. Igwe. What is the problem?
Igwe, please. I don't know why some people are after my life. This is the 5th time attack after they succeeded in killing my wife. Igwe, but my chi has been protecting me. Manonye chuku nazo onwe ya Igwe. Igwe, please. I want to ask you for a favor.
Favor?
Yes, Igwe.
What is it?
Igwe, my house is no longer safe. As these people keep coming night after night. Igwe, please. I want me and my son to be staying here in this palace. Both of us can manage that security quarters until this whole thing is over, Igwe.
But who would want you dead? I mean, you are just a common gate man. What do you have that they will come after?
Igwe, I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know, Igwe.
Well, it's all right. Your request is granted.
Igwe, thank you very much. May you live long, Igwe. What would I have done without you, Igwe? You will be like tomorrow, because tomorrow never ends. Igwe, thank you, Igwe, thank you.
It will be well with you.
Thank you, Igwe. Thank you.
Who will rescue us from his enemy? Who will save us from King Okaka? He's a tyrant king, Obio.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Yes.
I'm afraid there's a problem.
What problem?
The security man left the palace since yesterday evening and he has not returned.
I've been the one helping him on the gates.
What about this son, Onochi?
The little boy has been crying, and I've been calling his father's number. He switched off.
Your Highness.
Let's move on.
Did you send the security man anywhere?
Security man? Why would I send a security man on an errand when I have palace servants?
It's because they say he left since yesterday and is not yet back till now.
What?
No one knows his whereabouts. We don't even know where to trace him from.
Oh. What of the son? Didn't he tell the son where he was going?
I personally asked that little boy. He said his father told him that he's going out there to get something, that he will soon be back. That's all he told him.
Where could he have gone to?
Highness, nobody knows. And I don't think he's safe wherever he is.
Ah, you're right. It's all right. Let's not panic. Okay? We'll wait till evening. If we can't hear from him, then we'll know the next step to take. All right?
Thank you, Your Highness.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh no, Jeff. Why are you crying?
Please, if you know my father is, please tell me. It has been 2 days he left the palace now. He has not returned. Please, where is my father?
Oh, come on, Onoje. Is that why you're crying? So wipe your tears, okay? Don't worry, I know where your father is. Huh? I will take you to go and meet him this night.
Tonight?
Yes, this night.
Father, thank you. Your Majesty, thank you.
Ah, don't worry. Huh? I'm coming.
Thank you.
Who will rescue us from his enemy? Who will save us from King Okaka? He's a tyrant king. Obi Filiazo. King Okaka. He's a tyrant king. Obi Filiazo. Ordinances of God is not his business. King Okaka, ordinances of God is not his business. Yo. King Okaka, if you tell I use a bag, you put this in Tiagi, you put that in Okaka, you put yours a bag, you put this in Tiagi. Our kingdom is in Who will rescue us from his enemy? Who will save us from King Okaka? He's a tyrant king. Obi Filiazo. King Okaka. He's a tyrant king.
I want to take you to your father, okay? I don't want anybody to know about it, all right? Are you ready? Ready? say me well to your father.
From his enemy, who save us from King Okaka. He's a tyrant king, Obi King Okaka.
My dear, how can the chief security of this palace got missing and his only son sleeps and not wake up? It's not ordinary.
My dear, that same death that made him bring his son to this palace to stay with him, that same death that made him abandon his house, that same death came to this palace and took his only son. Who knows if he himself is still alive?
Guys, like seriously, it's obvious. Maybe the gods want him dead.
Ha! Why would the gods want him dead?
It's possible.
Abeg. Are you the mouthpiece of the gods?
Well, we are mortals. We don't know what the gods have for us.
I don't know what to say. Keep quiet.
I don't understand this guy.
From King Okaka. He's a tyrant king.
There's a problem.
What is it?
It's about our security man that we're looking for.
Is it bad?
The medics just told me that the son is dead.
Dead?
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying.
Oh no, Jay. Oh no, Jay. Hi! How? Oh God. What killed him? My greatest problem now is, what will I tell his father when he returns? Hey! Big problem. Anyway, guards,
My king.
take the body to the forest and bury him properly.
Ordinances of God's is not his business. King Okaka, ordinances of God's is not his business, yo. King Okaka.
Oh no, Jay. You are dead.
Okay, why? You plotted it, but the gods are wiser and more powerful than you are.
Where's the body?
Wait, I don't understand though. Did you disappear or what?
But we... We kept the dead body here now. Did he disappear?
Honestly, I'm confused. It's like you're going to go back to the palace and find the king and bury the boy.
Honestly. Fuck! Yes, now. Yes. My God. I think that's what. That's better. Let's go.
What the gods have destined, no man have what it takes to stand against the words of the gods. Their wishes can never be changed. No mortal can cancel the words of the gods. What the gods have made to be, nobody has the right. Nobody has the right to change it. The words of the gods are not the words of men. Arelo patok beke. Wele adokodo. Rume ano na nakene. Oh, he's awake already. It's true. Only the gods have the final say anyway.
Where am I?
You are in a place very far away from external attacks.
But who are you?
My name is Abaji, the one that existed before creation. I am neither Chukwokika Obiama nor the gods, but I am the mortal that has no beginning nor end. I live in the part of the world where nobody, no mortal can inhabit.
So, how did I get to this?
After you passed out, the king ordered his servants to take your body to the forest and bury it. So on their way, I caused their car to stop. So as soon as they went to check the bonnet, I took your body and I fled. So they later went and told the king that they have buried you.
So why did you come after me?
Because you cannot die. Yeah, you cannot die. You see, you are a seed of vengeance. It will be a sacrilege for you to lose your life at this point in time. You must stay alive to avenge your father's death and take back that which has been taken away from you.
But why would the king want me dead?
The same reason he killed your father.
They lied to me.
Yes, because you also lied to them.
All right. What do you want now?
Do the needful. Confess. Tell everyone here how you killed my father. You wanted me dead at all costs after killing my father. Why? Confess. You think I'm joking?
Okay, okay. Just hold on. Put down the gun. Confess! Confess, Nihawela! I will do what you wish.
Igwe, you are not saying anything about the king in wait, Ezekweche. And you're not getting any younger. And as the custom demands, you are the one to crown the next Ezekweche, who will take over from you when you're no more.
Oh no. Can I ask you a question?
Go on, you're the king, Your Majesty.
Can't we change this stupid tradition?
Change? I don't understand, Your Majesty.
Every king I know inherited his throne from his father. And when he is no more, his descendants will take over in perpetuity. So why is ours different? Don't tell me why. Why can't we behave like other kingdoms? I am not going to crown any Ezekweche. By the time I join my ancestors, my son will take over my throne as the king of this great kingdom. And that is fine.
Every people have their way of life and their ordinances, depending on the circumstances surrounding their existence. Umigodo Kingdom has its own ordinance that every family at one point or the other must produce a king. If the ordinances were not kept, you wouldn't be at the throne by now. So I advise that you stop thinking in that direction and allow what the gods have kept. Let the chief priest be summoned to determine who the next king in wait should be, so that the Ezekweche can be crowned as fast as possible. Time waits for no man. My advice.
Nobody can stop him, he's destined to be the king of our kingdom.
Ezekweche.
What troubles my king?
The kingdom is waiting.
Onowo was here.
I'm sure the news he brought is what put you off this mood.
Unfortunately, he reminded me of something I find very difficult to accept.
Our gaze is about crowning the next Ezekweche. My lord, it's not in your power to stop. It's about the gods.
I don't know why I find it difficult to accept this. I don't know why I have the feeling that the throne belongs to my family and my family alone.
My lord, whatever that is saying that to you is deceiving you. These rules have been here for the past generations. It's from our great-grandfathers. It's from the gods. It was agreed that this throne will rotate from family to family so that no family will feel cheated. This throne you're sitting on was never the birthright of your father, but because of the rotation system, it got to you. And now it's time for you to allow it to get to other families. So you trying to stop other families from sitting on it will cause a lot of havoc, and you can't challenge the gods.
That is where you are wrong, my dear. The truth is that the throne has returned to the true owner, the rightful owner. You know, it has returned to us. It belongs to our family and it will remain here forever.
Your Highness, you cannot fight against the gods.
Then watch me. Watch me defeat the gods.
He's a tyrant king, Obi Feriazo. King Okaka, he's a
We, choosing cabinet members, are here to remind you of the needful. Time, they say, waits for no one. Up till now, the executive of this kingdom has not been known and declared to the members of the public. That is why we are here to remind you, Your Majesty. The chief priest should be called up to cast a lot and tell us the family that will produce the next king in wet. That is why we are here, Your Majesty.
Ishe, okwu yu kwụ ọtọ ka m eji egbu onye oshi. In fact, Your Majesty, we have waited for so long for you to make move towards this direction. But it appears it eluded your thoughts. Igwe, nobody is praying for you to die now.
No, nothing like that.
But we all know that nobody has death in his power. We have to do the ones who will do and allow the gods to do the rest.
Yes.
Are you done? Are you finished?
Yes.
Good. I heard you. You both have eloquently stated your need. I mean, what you want. And I heard you very well. I assume they are speaking your mind also, right? Well, I want to let you know that I have not made up my mind as per crowning the Ezekweche. Okay? At least for now. Anytime I'm ready to do that, I can guarantee you that I will call you and let you know. I hope that is okay by you. The meeting is hereby closed.
Igwe. He's a tyrant king, Obi Feriazo. King Okaka, he's a tyrant king, Obi Feriazo. Ordinances of gas is not his business. King Okaka, ordinances of gas is not his business. Yo. King Okaka, Ipuchela yuzo omegi iwa putisi otiegi mo iputanila okosegi.
You can now speak.
Great one. I traveled a long distance to come see you. I've heard a lot about your reputation and how powerful you are. That is why I'm here, because I know that you are the one who can help me to fulfill my present quest.
What quest?
I want to stop an ordinance that was instituted by the gods for my kingdom. I know that it takes a god to fight the gods. A mere mortal cannot fight the gods. And with what I heard about you, I am sure and confident that you are the one who will help me transcend from being a mere mortal to a god amongst men.
Young man, what you seek is not what the human mind can conceive. But if I may ask you, what part of planet did you come from?
Planet Earth, Great One. I'm from planet Earth. However, I have blood and water running in my veins. I sleep and I wake like any human being. But I'm aware that there are men that live among men but dine and wine with the spirits. You, Great One, is a perfect example from what I heard. Therefore, I need you to incorporate me into the committee of great men living among men. Therefore, I am here, Great One, for you to assist me and help me with whatever I can do to transcend me from being a mere mortal to a god living amongst men.
Young,
I don't know how ready you are to pay the ultimate price of what you seek.
Great One, name the price and leave the rest for me.
It's not his business, yo.
What do you mean he left the palace without any guard?
We are sorry, man. We wanted to follow him, but he insists we should not.
Yes, Your Majesty. You know we don't have argued with him.
Will you shut up? You two are useless. You are fools. The king left the palace without any guard, and you two were quiet and couldn't do anything about it. Now give me one reason why I won't throw two of you out of this palace. I said give me one reason I won't throw you out of this palace.
We are sorry, man. We couldn't disobey his order, man.
Yes, Your Majesty.
So now that we can't reach him, what do we do? You should have shouted. You should have come to report to me. I would have known how to stop the king from going out alone. You fools just sat there and did nothing. You fools.
My queen, the king is back.
Thank you, Chi. Your Chi is alive. I would have cut off your head today. Stupid things. Now come on, get out. Your Highness, you're welcome. This is not the man I married. Your Highness! My lord, what is it? Why are you behaving like this? What's going on? Please, my lord, I'm sorry. Your Highness, please, I'm sorry. What is going on? Is it...
Is it that king? Ordinances of gods is not his business. King Okaka, ordinances
no,
of gods.
Lord. Our king needs help.
What happened?
He left the palace to an unknown destination all alone. He came back, never spoke to anyone, and for 2 days now he has refused to eat. Neither has he taken water. I'm worried.
No, let not your heart be troubled, Lolo. There's nothing wrong with the king.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Men like the king are not ordinary. They do strange things. Strange to the common man, but in the realm of the spirit, very powerful.
In the realm of this, we don't they eat food? These 2 days.
Nothing is wrong with you. Relax.
Who will rescue us from his pain? Who will save us from King Okaka?
Great one. I have completed the task you gave to me. It's remaining 2 more tasks. After they are completed, you shall metamorphose from mere mortal to spirit man. Alright? So, what are these tasks? The virgins. Great one. I provided money for you to get the virgins. You are right. They are here already, waiting for the last rituals. Take this. This is the blood of the 7 virgins. Drink it. It makes mortal indestructible beyond human destruction. Take it. So, what is the last task? You will make love to the girls one after the other. What? Follow me. Follow me.
He's a tyrant king, Obio King Okaka, he's a tyrant king, ordinances of gods is not his business. King Okaka,
Young man, sit down.
of gods is not his business, yo. King Okaka,
Great one. After all said and done, what is the guarantee that what you've done for me will work? If I shoot gun at you now, or use machete, it cannot hurt you. Anyone you point your left fingers, or anybody, be he or she, you look eyeball to eyeball with intention of killing or her, that person will die instantly. Trust me. No. 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 No.
Now I know. No one will know the source of my powers.
From this from King Okaka.
The last time we came here, you did not give us any tangible thing to go home with. Instead, you closed the meeting without having anything to cheer or for us to go home with anything tangible. But the needful needs to be done. Your Highness, we shouldn't sweep this very important thing under the carpet.
Oh no, Igwe. Did you summon this meeting because of this rubbish?
Rubbish.
Quiet! Are you challenging me?
Igwe, sorry. Your Highness.
I don't know why you brought up this useless issue again. Look, I am not going to crown any Ezegoche. I will not. My son, currently overseas, will return to take over the throne when I pass on to meet my ancestors. So I don't know. Look, that is how it is done in every kingdom. Why should our own be different? Huh? Please, let's drop this subject.
Apple. This ordinance is being laid down by the gods themselves, and not by any man, including you. I wonder why you want to stand against the will of the gods. Either why?
Oh. So you are now the mouthpiece of the gods, right? You speak for the gods. Listen. Allow the gods to fight their battle. Your king seated here is not a mere mortal. I am a god amongst men. Yes. If the gods think that I've offended them by not obeying their stupid ordinance, let them fight me.
Aro, Igwe, Aro, you just blasphemed against the gods.
How dare you? How dare you challenge me? Ah! Don't run! Why are you running? Should have waited for my wrath! Idiots!
Ordinances of Gus is not his business. King Okaka, ordinances of Gus is not his business.
Yeah, do you?
How do you go? Oku. I have never seen such all my life.
Even when you go, let the gods fight their battle. If they are spring, we shall know. Yes. If they are weak, we will also know.
You see, the only thing I want to say about this, let's leave him for the gods. If the gods allow him to have his way.
Who are we?
So be it.
Who are we?
My king, whatever it is that is leading you in that direction you're going is misleading you. Remember, no matter the strength of the wind, it cannot bring the sun down from the sky. And no matter the strength of the eagle, it cannot perch on the sun. My king, they say pride goes before a fall. Don't stand in the way of the gods, my king.
Oh no. I take exception to those your prophets. Useless ones are that. I don't need your advice. Keep your advice to yourself and for your children. I know what your problem is. But remember, nobody has seen the gods. Not even the strongest Dibia or the deadliest Alpha priest. I am not crowning any king yet. Let the consequences of my actions be on me or my descendants.
From King Okaka, he's a tyrant king. King Okaka.
I greet you, my elders.
You will.
As you all know, my Ofala is coming up in a month's time. And one special feature of this year's Ofala is my announcement of my decision to abolish the obnoxious ordinance, that was put in place by some perceived gods. So what it means is that effective the day of that Ofala, rotational kingship is abolished. By the time I pass on, my son will take over my throne. And when he passes on, his son will take over the throne. And that is how it will continue in perpetuity. And that is the way it is done everywhere, in every kingdom, and ours cannot be different. The implication of this is that for every subsequent Ofala, I will be celebrated for abolishing that obnoxious ordinance by the perceived gods. I have spoken.
Whatsoever that brought the chief priest out from his closet must be a very serious issue.
It's like you're the only one in this community who doesn't know that things are falling apart.
How? What do you mean?
Igwe Okaka has put to an end the Ezekweche system of this kingdom. No more rotational kingship in this kingdom. His family remains the monarch of this kingdom through inheritance.
It's true. This is supposed to be the third generation of his family reign.
Yes, now.
And he's supposed to crown the next Ezekweche that will take over him when he dies.
Well, he said he's not going to crown anybody that his son will take over from him when he dies.
It's a lie.
You're saying it's a lie? He has already declared it now.
He cannot do that. He cannot withstand the wrath of the gods.
That is why the chief priest is out. He has already said it.
Yeah. This thing is a very big issue.
Let's wait to see the end.
There's a more. I can't remember inviting you to my palace.
I don't need to be invited.
before I discharge my duties as the Ezemo of this kingdom.
This does not look like your duty post, does it?
The gods sent me. The die has been cast, and the next family to take over from you has been made known. Come with the elders so that I will reveal to you the next family that will be crowned, the next executive of this kingdom. And the gods has given you 7 days, just 7 days, to crown the next executive or
Tell the gods that I do not have any intention of crowning any executive. Tell them that I have put a stop to the obnoxious ordinance of rotational kingship. When I pass on, my son will reign after me, and his son will reign after him, and so shall it continue until the end of time. I, King Okaka I of Ubigolo Kingdom, have spoken.
Okaka, I have delivered my message. I can now take my leave. I have delivered my message. Okaka, I shall not take my leave.
How dare you point your stupid staff at me? Idiot!
From King Okaka. He's a tyrant king. Obi Feriazo. King Okaka.
Does that mean that the cause I have made my stand clear a long time ago?
Ordinances of God's
Now they are telling me that the family to do the next execution has been.
ordinances of God's
They are trying to cheat me. No. There is no going back on what I said. It is better I die for this cause than to go back. I will never crown any king waits. If they are strong, let them fight me.
Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. King Okaka, Okaka, King Okaka. Who will rescue us from his hand? Who will save us from King Okaka? He's a tyrant king. Obi Feriazo. King Okaka. He's a tyrant king. Obi Feriazo. Ordinances of
Almost way to wise one. I am here to see you. I know you are here. I know you see me and you hear me. Someone who knows you directed me to see you here. Omazwe, I have a problem and I need you to guide me in order to solve this problem. Omazwe, show yourself. Omazwe, show yourself. Wise one, you are the word I seek. the all-knowing, the one who has been from time immemorial, one who possesses the wisdom of the ancient voice.
How may I help?
There is an error in my kingdom. It is peddled that there is an ordinance from the gods, a stupid one at that. And that is a great error. I am determined to correct that error. And that is why I need your help.
What error?
The gods, they say, are wise. The universe is wise. And that is why there are the rich and the poor. There are royalties and there are commoners. The case is different in my kingdom. It is peddled that according to the ordinance, after 3 generations, the royal family becomes commoners. Why paupers become royals? This is an abnormality that I seek to correct. I am ready to die for this cause. I have dedicated my life for this already.
What do you want Omaswe to do for you?
I need you to help me to fight a battle. I have decided to fight the gods, and I need the wisdom of the ancients to be able to achieve this. I don't intend to lose this battle.
You cannot fight the gods with the arms of flesh. You fight the gods with the wisdom of the ancients. For by strength shall no man prevail, but by wisdom mighty cities are being overtaken.
That is why you are the wise one. I need you to tell me how to go about this. Give me the wisdom of the ancient for me to fight this battle.
5 children are surrounding a big tree. Burning fire is being handed over to one of them with an instruction of not returning it back, but to pass it over to the person in front of him. And the person in front of him passes it over to the person in front of him. It goes that way till it gets to the last person. Now it is time for the third person to pass it over to the fourth person. And the fourth person runs out of the circle. Remember, the instruction remains. Do not take it backwards. Now that the fourth person is nowhere to be found, what do you expect the third person to do?
He returns it, of course. He returns the fire, wise one.
That's simple. That's simple.
Who will rescue us from his hand? Who will save us from King Okaka? He's a tyrant king. King Okaka, he's a tyrant king.
I got it.
Ordinances of God is not his business. King Okaka, ordinances of God is not his business, yo. King Okaka,
Your Highness.
My king.
Where is the chief priest?
My king, he said, if you really need him, you know what to do.
It's all right. Go back to your duty post.
Ordinances of God is not his business. King Okaka, ordinances of God is not his business, yo. King Okaka,
The goat I came with is a gift. I actually took one that I brought to apologize and appease the gods for my arrogance and blasphemy against them. Okay. I know I was wrong. Please, I need you to give it to them, and solicit on my behalf for them to pardon me. Okay. I was wrong, actually.
Okaka, the gods are wise. Your apology has been accepted.
Oh, great.
You can now go and do the needful. You have 5 days. 5 days left to crown the next Ezekweche of this kingdom.
But Ezemo, there's a little problem. Yes. How do I crown someone I don't know? Huh?
The lot has fallen on Ibezim from Amanko kindred.
Oh, you mean the Ibezim family?
Yes.
Oh.
Go there and pick the eldest man. Call your people and prepare them for the official crowning of the next Ezekweche of this kingdom.
Okay. All right. But if I may ask Ezemo, who exactly is the eldest of that family?
The eldest in that family is Okenwa. Okenwa, the son of Nadozie Ibezim.
Okenwa.
Go and call him.
Okenwa. Are you referring to the same Okenwa that is my security man at the palace?
Yes, Okaka. Yes, Okaka. Gods are wise.
Ezekweche onye Nola Ezekweche Igirigo
Now,
Ezekweche.
the gods must be crazy to think that I will crown Okemwa as the next Ezekweche. Impossible. Impossible for him to become the king after me. No. Just imagine him becoming the king. Imagine his son becoming the king after him, while my son becomes a commoner. It will not happen. No. The gods must be very foolish to institute such ordinance, obnoxious ordinance. Another person to take over from me. It will not happen. Now I know better. Thanks so much. Thank you very much, Omazoe. Yes, I did. I want to find out something from you.
At your service, my king.
Good. In your family, the Ibezin family, and that includes your father and his brothers. How many men are still remaining in that family right now? Even those still alive?
It's just me. My father's brothers died even before the time of their marriage. And only my father got married. And he has a son who happens to be the one standing before you. And I have only one son also.
I see.
But my king, why do you ask?
Shut up. Go back to your duty post. I'm off here. Sorry, man.
The kingdom is waiting for you. Our kingdom is waiting for you.
Gods. That's why they are here. Makes it easier. Special thanks to my soul.
My quest to correct the errors of the gods made me do it.
How could you? You wanted to stand in the ways of the gods. Manipeka.
I actually had my way. For a long time, nobody talked about Ezekweche anymore. Each time we had my Ofala festival, we celebrated my victory of stopping the rotational system of kingship. Everyone had forgotten about Ezekweche.
But the gods did not forget.
Wow, wo totoro mo toji. Ni no do pede. Bodiona kluro nga abaji. Na kwa eke na abaji. Oga na ovota na nubu kona. Itali nyo. Bodiona kluro nga abaji. Ina to do pede. Ina do tene Udobona nwo.
Dina lokonga ya na kobo. Oto kobo uzumedi. Bona. Welcome bona. Dina jodok bedi. Oto toro mo toj. Dina jodok bedi. What do you know? You shall not die. And who said you have the right to go? You have no right to die at this point. You are a seed of vengeance. You are a seed of vengeance. You are here for a purpose. You can't live without fulfilling your purpose. Even the dead will send you back on arrival. You will not die. I call back your spirit, Onochie. I call back your spirit, Onochie. I call back your spirit, Onochie. Return! Onochie, return! Onochie, return! You do not better. Good news, me. Good news, me. Wake up!
My spirit is high. My spirit is high. I must take what's rightful belongs to me. I must take it, yo. I must take what's rightful belongs to me. I must take it right now. If I'm walking,
this gonna borrow the bomb bank. Oh no, shit. On this day, as I drop this oil of life on you, let it quicken your body. Let it return your soul and your spirit fully back to your body. Let this oil quicken your nerves. Let all the strands of hairs in your body receive life. As this oil drop on your body, let it quicken your kidney. Let it give life to your bones. Let it give life to your nerves. Let your kidney, let every organs of your body respond, receive life, and you will come back and stay until you fulfill your destiny. You will fulfill your destiny. I'm not gonna leave it no. Ona marena marono buto well walk. Ano ebeo. Lokonga ye na kobo buzume. Aye wo kobo buzume. Budonu to well walk. Anoke de kodo. Anang levila no. Anoke de kodo anang levila no. Kobe wado.
Oh no, Che. How did you find me?
Papa, I've been searching for you everywhere. Papa, where have you been?
Oh no, Che, my son. Since I got into this journey, I have been on a lonely path. I have not met anyone. I don't even know where I am going. And I cannot go back.
Papa, I'm happy that I found you. Don't leave me alone next time.
I will not leave you again. Come. Let's continue the journey together. Who are you?
Welcome. Welcome to the land of your ancestors.
To the land of my ancestors. With my son?
He is not coming with you. He has not completed his assignment on earth.
No, I'm coming with my father.
My son is coming with me.
In this land of the earth, you only have to do what you're asked to do. You have no power of your own. Now, leave the boy alone.
Papa, don't leave me, please. Papa, don't leave me.
Now, come without the boy.
Papa, don't leave me. Papa. 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 Papa.
The kingdom is waiting for you.
Papa.
Our kingdom is waiting for you.
Why do you live in this lonely place?
It is called abode. This is my abode.
You don't have a wife. You don't have children. You don't have neighbors. It's only you.
It's not only me. It's you and I now.
I just came in yesterday.
You came in 7 days ago.
Before that time, it was only you.
It is called predestination. Something your young, innocent mind can't comprehend now. Watch closely. Open your mind. Watch. See the handwritings of the gods. Hear them speak. Anyway, you won't understand now, but with time, you will understand.
If I this is time. I am the baddest to take what rightful belongs to me. This is my time. I am the baddest. I don't care who is standing in the way. If you're bad, I am the baddest. Iwe wego weke. If you're bad, I am the baddest. Oh no, oh no, mama. Oh no,
You look tired. And you look weak. It's all over your face. But the journey of life is not for the weak. You have to be strong. Do it. Show them that you can. Even when the words say no. Even when they say you can't. Prove them wrong. Prove them wrong. Do it. Show them that you can. Show them that you can do it. Show them your ability. Show them who you are. Break it. Yes.
You fought like a man. Oh no, what can the begging? You were man, you are walking. Oh no,
I'm not in the mood of eating. I know why. I know you know. Someone that killed my father and attempted killing me is somewhere sitting as a king, and people are respecting and shouting praises. That's good. For killing my father, I must avenge my father's death. For attempting to kill me, I must kill him. People need to know he is not king. He is evil. I must expose him.
Our kingdom is waiting for you. Ezekweche, Nola, Ezekweche.
Onochie. Some time ago, you came to me and told me you want to go and revenge your father's death, and I said it wasn't time then. I want to tell you that the time is now. But there is something you must know. The man you are about to go and face is no longer a mere mortal. The man killed 7 virgins, drank their blood, and made love with their bodies. And that is the highest rank of ritual. As I speak with you right now, he is stronger than a mere mortal. But there is good news. The good news is that nobody is stronger than the gods. No matter the strength, no matter the power, no matter the ritual, he is still beneath the gods. There is a reason your path crossed with mine. And it's for a day like this. Before you were conceived in your mother's womb, the gods already know that a day like this will come when you will face a man that is stronger than a mere human. That is why you've been with me all these years, and I've prepared you to be able to face human and mini gods. Onochie, the appointed time is now. Now is the time for you to face your fears, fight your fears, and conquer. I know you have what it takes to win. I know you have what it takes to conquer.
The hour has come.
Yeah. The hour has come. Mbikuku na baroji bumba nkete. That's it. Mbikuku na baroji bumba nkete. Sayu. Agu biara kaya na mgbada agbaria. Sayu. Agu biara kaya na mgbada agbaria. Sayu. Agu biara kaya na mgbada agbaria. Onochie. Wear this. You have what it takes to conquer Onochie. You've been made strong. You have what it takes to fight and conquer.
Okay, get the GC where yoku. Akwele di go isi. Betelubulua. Onochie. Jele. Onochie mama. Jele. Onochie. Onochie mama. Jele. You fought like a man. Onochie. What can the begging?
Onochie, there is something I want you to understand. Standing before me right now is a man greater, stronger, and wiser than Okaka. Always remember that.
Thank you very much.
I'll wait your return.
Our kingdom is in King Okaka. Rescue us from his enemy. Save us from King Okaka. He's a tyrant king. Obi furious. King Okaka. He's a tyrant king. Obi furious. Ordinances of God is not his business. King Okaka. Ordinances of God is not his business.
Like this, so just call your people. They say you dey hostage. Call them now. No be everybody that they kidnap. I no get people.
This man, if you say we dey joke for here. We no come here come dance kelewu now. You know they joke for here. Bros, you go call your people right about now. May they deliver you.
Oh boy. Now I thought you gonna host so. I say make you call your people. You go collect o.
Guys, how far? Who waste this guy now? Harvesting killing, they go sell him. Now you come person where they say buy him now.
I say make you call your people. Who be this one?
If you move, I go turn you to goat. Drop your weapons. If you move, I turn you to goat. I tell you, not everybody that they kidnap. Drop your weapons.
You never reach like that.
I said, drop your weapons.
Within reach goat, yeah. Never reach like that.
You never reach like that now. No, now. Don't talk like that now. Now play with the play with you.
Now you be the shout now.
I don't do the test. I don't do anything now.
Don't shout.
Sit down, man. Sit down, man. Don't do sit down, man.
He's a dynamite king. Obi Furiazo. King Okaka. He's a dynamite king. Obi Furiazo. Ordinances of God is not his business. King Okaka.
Boss man, I greet you.
With the information we gather, so we hear saying your father in 3 days time, and a very big event for this town. Many better people, all those kings, leaders, they come on that day to come celebrate that man.
We go strike on that of Allah day. This midnight, I go draw the map.
Confirm. Amen, man. Know these things.
They go collect.
Yes, now.
My son.
I am not your son.
Look, there is something you should understand. Everyone has a dream. Some dreams are small, while others are big. Some are spiritual, others are not spiritual. Some make their dreams happen, while others don't. Just as you are here to claim back what you think belongs to you, I also was trying to claim back what I felt belonged to me. So the difference between your dream and mine is that while one was in line with the will of the gods, the other one is against the will of the gods. But believe me, I had won. I celebrated, my victory before you are now showing up.
A waiting king is here to take over the kingdom. There's a question. There's a question. There's a question.
You did?
What?
What was that?
I should be asking you.
To what do I owe this sudden visit from the royal family?
The king sent me to bring you. Your presence is needed in the palace right now.
If the king wants to see me, he knows what to do.
Ezemo, you don't have to disrespect the king. He really wants to see you.
Go and tell him what I said, for he knows what to do.
The kingdom is waiting for you. There's a question. The kingdom is waiting for you.
I am not blind, nor deaf. Go back to your duty post. If I need you, I will call you again. Idiot!
Spirit is high. My spirit is high. I must take what's rightful belongs to me. I must take it, yo. I must take what's rightful belongs to me. I must take it right now. If I'm walking.
Let me have the car keys. I want to drive myself.
Your Majesty, you want to drive yourself?
Are you questioning my authority?
No, my king.
We are sorry, Ebube. The last time we went out alone, the queen was mad at us.
Yes, it's true. We nearly lost our job.
Will you give me this key this minute? Okaka.
Somebody.
I invited you to this secluded place because what I want you to do for me is between you and I only.
Confide in me. Spill it.
Contained in this bag is the sum of 2 million naira. And if you complete the task I am going to give you without any problems, another 2 million awaits you. Have it. Feel it.
Whatever you want me to do. Hi! That I will do for you.
You like the feel?
Smells perfectly well.
Now, my security man, Okenwa, saw something that he was not supposed to see. So, if I leave him unchecked, he's going to bring a backlash on me. You know what I mean? So, all I want you to do is...
Strong man.
Alright?
Strong man.
I don't care how you do it.
Karaka. By tomorrow, that you want to hear, we'll present it to you. With this?
Good. One more thing. I don't care how you do it, but ensure that it is not traced back to me. Okay?
You smell blood like a blood clot. You know what this chance be?
If I'll see you when you're done.
If you don't trust me, you wouldn't have come for me now. 2 million.
I got this one. Who will rescue us from his hand? Who will save us from King Okaka? He's a dynamite king.
Okaka. What is going on? This is 7 days. And the young man is still alive.
I will tell you one honest truth. We've tried our best. Myself and my boys have tried several times. We failed. The only way he can be killed is only getting him strangled in the comfort of his house. These days he goes to work very early in the morning, come back late. My boys tried severally, but we couldn't get rid of him. I'm sorry we failed you, but we'll try more.
Okaka. Yes, indeed you failed me. And how dare you fail me? How dare you? Ah!
He's a dynamite king. We'll be very King Okaka. He's a dynamite king. Ordinances of gas is not his business. King Okaka, ordinances of gas is not his business, yo. King Okaka, Ipuchela yuza, Omegive, Iwaputisi, Otiagimo, Iputanila, Okasigivo, Jibolo, Okaka, Ipuchauza, Omegive, Iwaputisi, Otiagimo, Iputila, Okasigivo, Jibolo, Okaka.
What are you doing at this time of the night outside?
I'm just going out to check on lunch.
Your Highness.
It's not his business, yo. King Okaka,
I came in, you weren't here. I went to the bathroom. And you were not there also. You sneaked out at this late hour of the night?
Well, it takes more than a human to be a king.
Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. King Okaka, Okaka, King Okaka. Who will rescue us from his hand? Who will save us from King Okaka?
Yes, I wanted to carry out the duty, but my presence stopped. What did I do? Did I tell anyone or did I just keep it to myself?
King Okaka, Okaka, King Okaka. Who will rescue us from his hand? Who will save us from King Okaka? He's a
Igwe. Hey, Igwe. I went to the backyard to sweep this morning. I saw Okudile, one of the palace guards. I saw him lying dead on the floor, Igwe.
Lying dead?
Yes, Igwe dead.
How?
I don't know. I saw him like that.
Was he sick?
He wasn't. He wasn't, Igwe. Hey! He wasn't though. He wasn't.
It's okay. He might still be alive. Just get the guards to rush him to the hospital immediately.
Okay.
Quick.
Okay.
Let them rush him to the hospital. Quick.
Okay. Hey!
Dead?
King Okaka, Okaka, King Okaka.
You sent for me.
Check this pot. Give it to the chief priest at the Panther Forest. He's going to use it to perform a royal sacrifice for the royal family. He's waiting for you. Is that understood?
Yes, my king.
One more thing. Talk to no one on your way. Is that understood?
Yes, my king. I won't do such.
Now go.
I will start.
Go!
about him.
I am going to deliver this thing to someone. Huh?
Okay, Papa.
Stay here. If anybody knock on this gate, don't open it.
Okay.
Go in here, bring one of the palace servants to come and open the gate.
Okay, Papa.
In fact, don't open the gate for anyone.
Okay, Papa.
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I will soon be back.
Okay, Papa.
Come on, Lord.
King Okaka, King Okaka, who will rescue us from his pain? Who will save us from King Okaka?
It's late already. Did he tell you where he was going to? Don't worry, Obichi. He may still come back. Maybe something happened. Or something came up. Don't worry yourself. Okay? You know what? You have to go with you. Just
Okaka, you put yours on Omega, you put this here, you put it.
Your Highness.
What is it?
It's about your security man that is not yet back at this hour. We don't even know his whereabouts.
It's late already. Huh? Let's talk about that tomorrow. What of this song?
That is where I have a problem. How would he cope? He can't even sleep alone in that place. How do you do?
Well, I'm sorry about that. But there's always a way out. You will go.
King Okaka, King Okaka, who will rescue us from his pain?
Igwe.
So how did it go?
Yeah, barely the body.
Alright, you can go.
Igwe.
Igwe Okaka is no longer saying anything concerning the king in wait. Ezekweche, is it that the gods are blind or that they are supporting his action?
The gods have played their role. I have played mine too. It behoves on him to play his own role. It also behoves on the gods to punish him or to let him be if he fails to play his role.
They say, Okenyada no, Enwamonobu. As an elder, I cannot sit and fold my hands while things are going wrong. That's why I'm saying what I'm saying now.
That means you've played your own role too. Can we mere mortals allow the gods to fight their own battles?
They should better start fighting before things get bad.
Let them do what you said.
Ordinances of gods is not his business.
Your Highness.
Okay.
Our son called and said he'll be back next week.
Oh yes, I'm aware.
You asked him to come back? And you never bothered to tell me.
There's no need to tell you because the reason I sent for him has nothing to do with it.
I am his mother. Whatever it is that you want to discuss with him that will make you ask him to come back to this country, I deserve to know about it. Don't you think so?
No, I don't think so. Nobody is disputing the fact that you are his mother. You know, but we are men. And in this part of the world, men are not obligated to tell women what they want to do. So, that's why they tell you.
That's really part of you that I don't like at all.
That's why I'm the king. What are you trying to say, Dad? The whole thing doesn't make sense to me, you know. I don't understand. What is so difficult for you to understand? Huh? Look, all I'm saying is, just keep your ears to the ground and look properly, observe how things are done in this palace. Because you are going to be the next king after me. That is all.
How do you mean, Dad? I thought we run a rotational system of kingship here. And by my own knowledge, this is the third generation. After which it goes to another family who produces the next kings for another 3 generations.
Listen, son. I have changed it. I have changed the status quo. Okay? Look, this is not the way it's done elsewhere. No more rotational kingship, okay?
Dad, what are you trying to say? What are you saying? I don't get it. How can you change something that has been for ages, for centuries, even before you were even conceived?
Listen, son, you get this right. Brace yourself to be the next king. That is what I want you to do right now, okay? I'm not rotating anything, and that is my decision.
The kingdom is waiting for you. Our kingdom is waiting for you.
But Mom, it doesn't make sense to me. I mean, how?
Your father has been acting strangely these days. He does things differently. Honestly, I don't understand.
But Mom, it won't work. It won't work. I already have my plans, my vision, my dreams. I have my life plan already. Mother, you know, living in Nigeria was never part of it.
It's something you have to discuss with your father. Have the discussion with him, okay? Please.
Oh, Mother.
It's okay. Talk to your father.
I don't think I can do this, Mom.
You can.
The kingdom is waiting for you.
Father, please. I have my life to live. No, son. You don't have any other life to live apart from this one. Let me remind you, you are first a prince before any other thing. Okay?
Father, I am a medical practitioner. I want to impact the world positively. Father, please. Please, Father, don't do this to me. Please.
Son, you and I know that you can still practice your medicine while you are a king. Am I right?
Father, I am not just a medical practitioner. I am an inventor. My team and I are carrying out a series of research, after which, when we are done, it's going to impact the world massively.
You must first of all impact your locality, your local environment before the whole world. Look, son, I fought several battles to secure this throne for us. Okay? To secure the throne for you, for your son, for their sons, and indeed, future generations to come. Please, don't ruin my efforts, okay?
But Father, I was never part of the plans. And I can't be right now. Yes, Father. Please, Father, I have to go now.
Sit. I said sit down. How dare you stand up to walk out on me? Huh? Now listen. Aside from being your father, I am your king. Indeed, the king of this whole kingdom. Don't ever try it again. Is that understood? Is that understood?
Yes, Father.
Good.
Your Highness. Your Highness, I want to plead with you. On behalf of our son. Let him be. He is not interested on the throne. He doesn't care about this throne, Your Highness. He has his life to live. And I also want to plead with you to let things be the way they are. The person you're fighting for doesn't want the throne. He has his life to live. And Your Highness, if anything happens today, you close your eyes and then open them again, everything will still be normal. In fact, everything will go back to normal because that's how the gods have planned it to be. Please, let him be.
My dear, you got everything wrong. Our son has no life of his own, apart from being a prince right now and a king in the making. Okay? Look, I've gone so far that I cannot recede right now. If only your son knows the battles I fought in order to secure this throne, he won't be behaving like this. And of course, you know some of those battles. I'm surprised that you are talking like this.
But Your Highness, he has his own life to live. He wants to live his life. Please let him.
It's all right. Talk to your son. If he continues to maintain his stand that he has his life to live and not the life of being a king, I will have no option but to marry another wife tomorrow. Yes, I will impregnate her, get a son from her, and groom that son to become the next king. But your son should be rest assured that he would not live to achieve that his dream for making me turn around in circles.
Your Highness, is that a threat?
Of course. Not only a threat, but a promise. Really? Of course, you know me.
Really?
Yes. Look, nobody stops me if I want to achieve something. And that includes you. You know it. Talk to him.
Son.
Yes, Mom.
I don't want to lose you. If anything happens to you, I will not survive the next second. I know your father very well. He's a very diabolic man. When he says something, he achieves it. The way he said it in there, I know that he will do it. Please, why not accept his offer? Just for my sake, my son. Do it for your mother, I beg you. Please. Bikono, please, I beg you, my son, please.
Greetings, Father.
How are you today?
I am fine, Father. Yes. Father, I have come to tell you that I have accepted your offer. I will be the next king after you. And I have also relinquished my medical career and my personal ambition to suit your desire.
You see, a lion does not give birth to a goat.
True, Father.
I knew you would accept. Thanks to the gods. Come here, my son. Come and hug Papa.
I love you, Father.
I love you more. Good. Yeah, so Father? Greetings, my elders. I want to formally introduce to you my son, Prince Uchenna Okaka II of Umuigudo Kingdom. Of course, as you all know, he's the crown prince. And he will be the one to take over the reign of I, King Okaka I of Umuigudo Kingdom. Therefore, every subsequent ofala that will take place in this kingdom will be used to celebrate the next king of this great kingdom. So, if there is any need to crown any Ezekweche, he is the right candidate. And so, when he finishes his reign, and at the time of his demise, when he joins his ancestors after reigning, his son will take over from him. And subsequently, the son of his son will take over. And that is how it's going to happen in perpetuity. I have spoken. What are you supposed to say?
He said...
Are you forgetting the tradition?
Ichie, at the end, Igwe Okaka chọkọtara nchọnchọ, wee chọta nchọnchọ. He has succeeded, and the gods are not saying anything.
Like we said before, let's leave him to the gods. Whether he succeeds or not, that shouldn't be our problem. Our problem should be if the gods are strong enough and if they are the one that instituted this rotational kingship, then let the gods fight their battle. Simple.
Because let me tell you one thing. Igwe Okaka bụ ngwongwo na-egbodo ihe niile egbodoro egbodo.
That will never happen. In this land, it will not. Not.
Any ambition that will take the life of innocent people is not worth nurturing. Because of your selfish interest, many people lost their lives. You are nothing but a mere mortal. For that reason, you have no right whatsoever to take lives. You are evil.
The silence of the gods does not mean weakness. It's foolishness that makes the blind snail believe that it's going to quench the fire while it's actually dying. Okaka, your end has come. Umuigudo Kingdom, I present to you Onochie, the next king of this kingdom.
Because I like before that, let me do something first. Okay. Thank you very much, my people. But before I become king, I have one last thing.
If you're bad, I am the baddest. We're going to If you're bad,
No! Do not touch him. Take his corpse to the Evo forest. Yes. Let the vulture and wild animal feed on his carcass.
Okaka! Hey! I warned you.
This is your end.
Okaka!
If you're bad, I am the baddest. Oh no,
By the authority vested on me as the Onowu of Umuigodo Kingdom, I hereby crown you Igwe Onochie Ibezim, one of Umuigodo Kingdom.
If you're bad, I am the baddest. Nobody is God. Nobody can change the hand of clock. Makana bada nyuoke ikawalia. Ochife wata wani akenu. Akage loilo wacha walife. Ometeli fani na soso. Ometelu bulua. Okay, kita jisi weyoku. Akwele rigo isi. Metelu bulua. Onochie. Jebe jebe. Nochie mwamo. Jebe Onochie. Jebe jebe. Onochie mwamo. Jebe. You fought like a man. Onochie. Jebe jebe. Wake the begi. Jebe jebe. You a man, you are walking, yo. Jebe, jebe. Uno chia. Jeje, uno chezeki. Jebe, jebe. Jeje, uno chezeki.